friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 6. We have our entry door and our back door going in today. Drywall is almost done. We've got some great progress on this project. And the electricians have done a bunch of work too. So I'm excited to show you around this home today. Here we have Julio and his helper from Smart Choice doing the door install on the back of the home. We had the masons out this morning to raise the lintel above this doorway. We had a little challenge there. We had our door ordered, and unfortunately it was ordered too tall. We had our guy over here to do the measurement for it, to get it right the first time, and unfortunately it got missed. So we had to bring the masons out. The masons raised the lintel for us today, and we will get the door installed now. And then the drywall company will be back just to touch up that opening tomorrow. But friends, you can see the ceiling is done and it looks gorgeous. This was that popcorn ceiling texture before, and now it's almost smooth, and she looks so good. It's going to look fantastic. You'll notice that we also have cabinets delivered. So these are our laundry room cabinets sitting out here. In the garage are all of our kitchen cabinets. Some of these trim pieces in here for our kitchen also. But it's so exciting to see all these cabinet parts and pieces. Our cabinet install starts shortly, but we needed to get all these other parts finished. And then over here, Kenny's working to lay out all those cabinets and their locations. But here we have our pantry. In our walk-in pantry, we've got the shelves installed. Kenny did an awesome job getting all these shelves installed so that we have some great functional storage in this space. This is huge. Going to be a huge benefit for our homeowners as they use their home and all of its new applications. But as you can see, friends, drywall has come along so far. Electricians have, got all our can light locations in. Now our entry door and our back door in, and it just looks so good. Here's a living room space. We're going to be over shopping for a sectional sofa to put in this space in just a couple of days so that we can get that custom made to the size that we need. But great living and dining space. Here's our new front door. She just lets so much natural light in this space. But as you can see, there's quite a bit of privacy with the type of glass that was used for this door. And then I want to show you her color on the outside. Oh, she is so gorgeous. Here I am standing out here in the backyard, and you can see where the masons had to take out two rows of the block that the exterior of the home was constructed out of. And now they have redone that and raised the lintel. So then these guys are cutting out the header that was on the inside of the house so we can put the new door in. Friends, for Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 6. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.